SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to make text smaller on iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If the text on your iPhone is currently too large and it's making it difficult for you to use the device, then you can reduce the size of that text by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Display and Brightness option, and then you can choose text size from this menu. Now you just need to find the slider at the bottom of the screen, and you can tap and hold on the button on the slider and drag it to the left to reduce the size of the text. You can move this around a little bit and you'll see that the text at the top of the screen is adjusting based off of the size that you've chosen. So once you find a text size that you're comfortable with, you can simply let go of the button on the slider, and then you can go back to your home screen and open an app, and the text that was previously too large should now be a more comfortable size.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.